Hi, my name is Paul Gorry, the sales manager for Magnum Equipment, and we are the dealers for Hidromek. And we just thought while everyone was at home during these COVID times, we'd do a bit of a comparison between one of our 2021 Hidromek HMK 310s and one of our higher Sumitomo 300-6. Great machine, this Sumitomo, and it'll be a good comparison. And what we just want to show is the difference in the steel thickness and the heavy dutiness of the new Hidromeks versus some of the Japanese machines that we're normally used to having in the hire fleet. First things first, we just thought we'd look through the track frame area of both machines. So we've got the new Hidromek here. The top plate of the track frame, we're looking at about 21 mil. Same with the bottom plate on the new Hidromek. If we go over to the Sumitomo, you can see straight away that it's a thinner plate. We're down at 19 mil for the top and just under 19 mil for the bottom. So Hidromek's heavier top plate, better weight distribution because you've got a lower center of gravity with a heavier plate. Next thing is the actual car body plate. Here you can see on the new Hidromeks, .31 mil through that car body. Again, keeping the weight down. Come back to our Sumitomo, and we're back at just on 28 mil. So another heavier plate used. Again, keeping the weight down. Another thing, the front idler area, you see on the Hidromeks, they come from the factory reinforced. The end plate between the idler area and the track frame, we're talking 36 mil. Back over at our Sumitomo, there's no reinforcement on the inside or the out, and that end plate is down at 25 mil. So a 10 mil thickness there, difference. The next thing we can look at is the actual track frames themselves. The top plate here for the rollers, 30 mil. Similar on the Sumitomo, and also the plate through here, 12 mil, and we're at 12 and a half. So very similar there. All right, now we'll just measure the boom and arm areas on the new Hidromek versus the Sumitomo. So the boom, 47 centimeters wide. Back over at the Sumi, we're looking at 41 centimeters. So a lot wider, gives you a bit more stability. The Sumitomo down on the dipper is 30 centimeters. Back at the Hidromek, 35. So yeah, wider, so more surface area for the pins. Hidromek, we're using the cast section for the joint between the dipper and the boom, but also they reinforce it with another plate of steel. So again, a lot wider, a lot more stability. Back here at the Sumi-6, just the casting area. Down here we've also got factory piping, both high flow and low flow on the Hidromeks through valve blocks. Auto greasing standard. This is the difference between a machine of today versus a machine from 5 or 6 years ago. The Sumi's got high flow piping, no second piping, no auto greasing. It's just how the machines have changed over time. The reason for this, we're not having a go at the Sumis. We just want to show that, you know, the Hidromeks They're a heavy duty machine, European made, built for harsh environments. You know, they're not a lightweight machine. The more steel at a lower position in the machine, the greater the stability. You know, there's less chance of anything cracking or breaking. As we know on the Sumitomo, thinner plate, so they've put a lot of their weight higher up, we're a lot lower. So that's the whole idea. And yeah, I think it's an exciting product. Here at Magnum Equipment, you know, we've sold quite a few of these now. We've got quite a few in the hire fleet, and we're looking forward to next year and the end of this year as well, where we've got a lot more customers coming on board, and things looking good going forward. Thanks a lot.